This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Keto Brownies easy guide. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line an 8x8-inch pan with parchment for easy removal and cleanup. Measure ingredients precisely, especially sweetener and flour, to maintain texture. Melt chocolate gently over low heat or use a microwave in short bursts, stirring between intervals for a smooth batter. Gather all your ingredients before you start to streamline the process and avoid mistakes. Spoon and level almond flour for consistent texture and sift cocoa to avoid lumps. Melt chocolate until silky and let it cool slightly so it doesn't scramble the eggs. Beat eggs with sweetener until slightly frothy, then fold in dry ingredients gently to keep brownies tender and fudgy. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle, a handy companion that fits cup holders and keeps drinks cold during long bake sessions. It makes kitchen prep feel refreshingly convenient. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, it pairs well with snack breaks. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the batter into your prepared pan and smooth the top evenly with a spatula for uniform baking. Bake on the center, rack to ensure even heat distribution, and rotate once if your oven runs hot. Watch closely in the last 5 to 7 minutes to prevent overbaking, since keto batters can dry out faster than traditional ones. Let cool fully before slicing to achieve clean edges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.